back into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to one more video. These are Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. This printer also supports AMS for multicolor printing. So AMS is an external device which helps for filament management. It can hold multiple filaments and allows the filament switching based on the different colors present in the print. So even without AMS, we can still do multicolor printing only to some extent. So from these first and second images, we can see on the first one, the colors on every layer are mixed up. That means each layer has more than one color. These kind of prints are possible only using AMS where runtime filament switching is required. On the second image, the colors are split among different layers. Means one layer has only one color. So such type of prints can be handled by manually changing the filaments, which I'll practically show in this video. So first, open Bambu Studio and import the model you want to print. After making basic print settings, click on Preview where you can see all the layer details. On the right side, we also get this slider which shows how each and every layer gets printed. So in my case, I want to make this base in red color and the rest in white. So I'll use this slider and go to exact layer where I want to stop. Right click, add pause. So when the printer reaches this particular layer, it stops printing and nozzle moves to the side. At this point of time, you can unload the existing filament and load the new color and again resume with the printing. So in the same way, you can add any number of pause points based on your requirements. That's on the settings part. Now I'll give the same for printing. So now it has reached the particular layer where I have kept the pause point. It stops printing and we get this message on the display. We can close this, go to filament option and unload. Again load the different color filament. Once the filament loading is successful, you can click on resume printing. And the printer continues further. So there is also one more method to achieve multicolor printing. We can use this cut tool and split the model into multiple pieces vertically, horizontally, or any other angles, and print these pieces separately using different color and join them later. To make it easy for connecting the pieces, we can use this add connector option. With the left click, you can add any number of connectors and right click for deleting. You can also change the shape, size, and depth of the connector. After selecting the required connector, confirm this and perform cut. So which creates a connector on one slice and hole on the other one. So these are the simple ways in which you can achieve layer wise multicolor printing. I hope this video will be helpful. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.